How to share internet from a laptop to a desktop computer using an Ethernet cable. You use an Ethernet cable to connect your desktop and laptop computers together. Ethernet. On your laptop, share the internet as follows. Search box. Open network connections. NCPA. CPL. Control panel item. NCPA.cpl. Network connections. Ethernet and Wi-Fi. Right-click on the Wi-Fi icon. Properties. Wi-Fi properties. Sharing. Allow other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection. OK. Shared. You will see the word shared appear next to the Wi-Fi icon. Next, connect the cable between your laptop and desktop computer. Ethernet. What do you see on your desktop computer? The desktop computer will be connected to the internet via the cable interface. The above is how to share Wi-Fi internet from a laptop to a desktop computer using an Ethernet cable. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.